In this video, I'm going to share how you can make money from home and online without any skills, experience, and it doesn't matter where you are within the world. Now, all of this is going to be done using a free piece of software, and it's this one over here. So in this video, I'll show you the software, I'll show you how it works, and more importantly, I'll show you how you can start earning some extra money from home using this. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to look at a free piece of software that you can get started with today to start making some extra money online and from home. Now this software, I have used this for a number of years. I use this over on my blog here, I use this on many niche websites, and when I was recording yesterday's video I had a bit of a brainwave and I thought, well, actually you could use this to start making money online. And when I did a bit of research into this, well, lo and behold, you actually can do. So what is the software and how can you go ahead and make money with this? So the software is this one over here and it's called Grammarly, and I will drop a link to this down below for you. Now on the screen here, I'm over on the website here, you can see how this works is whenever you're typing anything online and if there is a spelling mistake, if the grammar is incorrect, it will go ahead and highlight it here for you, and it will highlight this in red and it will also highlight this in blue for you, and then you can go ahead and make the changes. And it's really simple, and you can see on the screen now just how simple this is. So there's examples where people are not putting in punctuation marks or commas, etc. And this piece of software here, it integrates with many different platforms. It works on social media, it works on Google, it works on anything to do with Google Chrome. It connects with all of this, and you can get started with this for free. You don't have to go ahead and pay for this. You simply go ahead, click the link down below, it'll take you over to the home page and you can get started with this for free. There is a paid version. Do you need it? No. Do I use the paid version? No, I do not, and I've been using this for probably about 3 years now. So you can see on the screen here, it's going ahead and it's playing around with the text and changing the grammar around. So step one in this method to make money online is you go ahead and you install Grammarly. Now Grammarly, you can see up here, I've got this on my Google Chrome bar. I don't know if this actually connects with other platforms. I know it's like I say, it's on the Google Chrome store. Does it connect to anywhere else? I don't know. Is the honest answer. I genuinely don't know. I only use this on Google Chrome. But feel free to go ahead and see if it connects with Internet Explorer and many of the other search engines. So once you've connected this up here to your Google Chrome, and it's really simple, as you can see here, you click on Add to Chrome, it's free. Once you've done this, you go ahead and you actually get a Grammarly account. So within inside of your Grammarly account, as you can see, this is mine here, this is how it looks. You can connect this to Microsoft Office if you want. I don't, because I don't use this. You can also connect it to your Windows account. Again, I've only got this connected to Chrome because this is where it's my search engine tool where I go ahead and play around with my blogs, websites, other bits and bobs. So this is the inside of this, but ultimately you just simply go over to Grammarly and you click on Add to Chrome. It's free. You can see it's currently had over 34,000 people who have installed this. So this is a great piece of software. So how do you make money with this? Well, what you can actually do with this, when I was doing a bit of research on this, is you could use this to make money with a service called Proofreading. So what's Proofreading? Well, let me go ahead and show you this over here. This is on a website called People Per Hour, so peopleperhour.com. Now we can see here I've just typed in Proofreading, and this moment in time, at 20 to 1, there is currently 34 jobs available. Now if we scroll down here, you can see the first one. Now please remember I'm in the UK, so these prices down here, they're in the UK. It'll differ compared to your country. So this one here, proofreading, 10,000 words in English, you will get paid £170. Now normally you would think, bloody hell, 10,000 words and I'll get paid £170. That's a lot of words. How can you use Grammarly? Well, you apply for these jobs here. Once you get accepted to these jobs, you go ahead and you copy and paste the script here, or you open it up in Google or Chrome or wherever, and then you use the software Grammarly here, and it will go through and highlight any mistakes on here for you, as you can see on the screen here. And you go ahead and you play around with this, and you'll need to double check this, but you can see it's a really simple and quick way that you can proofread a piece of content. Now if we go back over here to the website here, this was the first one. You can see we've got £170. We've got another one here at £228. We've got someone here who's paying, what they're paying £26 an hour to proofread. And you can go through and look at all of these additional jobs on here. Now this here is just one website. This is a freelancing website, and this is called peopleperhour.com. There are hundreds more of these different freelancing websites that you can go ahead and use. Here's an example of another one. This is called proofreadingservices.com. You can go ahead and have a look at this website here. Another one, a very popular one, is called Upwork. Now I've not actually searched on here, so let's go and have a look. So let's go to jobs and we'll type in proofreader. See if there's currently any jobs available on this website here for proofreading. Is that not loaded? Let's go ahead and click on search. You see currently 253 jobs available on this website here called Upwork for the search term proofreader. And all you're going to have to do here is go through and double check everything, because sometimes what happens is it will list jobs which are not related to the proofreader. Some of these may be like a writing job or anything, but honestly just go through and have a look at this. So you can see we've got 253 jobs. Look, report and document a proofer/editor. It tells you the expected rate of pay. So you can, with this one here, you can expect to earn between $10 and $15 per hour, and they will require less than 10 hours per work, and this is for the duration of 1 to 3 months. And you can see on here, look, I have weekly documents and reports that need to be proofread and edited to a final draft. Do you think with this free software over here, you could go ahead and proofread that content for them? Absolutely. And what I like about this is it's free. And honestly, this piece of software, this Grammarly, is absolutely awesome. As I've mentioned, I've used this for a number of years. So if we go back over here onto Upwork here, just go through and have a look at this. And I know people comment down below and say, I've applied for jobs before on Upwork or Guru or freelancer.com or wherever, but look, it's a numbers game, isn't it? The more you apply for, the better chance you're going to have of getting accepted onto some of these jobs. And everybody starts out at the same position when they go onto any of these freelancing websites. Everyone starts at a base rate of 0. You're going to have to apply to jobs to start improving your profile, essentially. So you go through and you apply for these, and look, some of these are a one-time fee. So like this one down here, it's $100 for additional for basically a one-time job. You've got one up here which is 1 to 3 months. If I scroll further down the page, look, you've got this one here, proofreading, 10 to 30 hours per week, and this is for 3 to 6 months. We've got one here less than a month. Go through and have a look at these and just start applying for these. And if I scroll down to the bottom here, you can see this is page 1 of lots. Now you can go ahead and change this if you want to. I'll just do this. Change it to 50, then you don't have to scroll through all of these different pages. But look, just go through and apply to them all. And literally, I'm not going to say you're going to earn X amount of money per day or per week or per month, because I wouldn't want to lie to you and say you can earn thousands of pounds or thousands of dollars every single month with this, because nobody knows. But once you start to build up a profile on these different websites like Upwork, like People Per Hour, like this one over here, and look, there's hundreds more of these different websites. Simply go on Google and type in freelancing websites. You've got guru.com, People Per Hour, freelancer.com, and there's many more of these. Go through and have a look at these. You can start applying to these jobs. And look, if you don't want to start applying to jobs and you want to start offering your services, well, there's numbers of websites like this. You can go on people per hour here and you can list your services on here. So you come over here, you would sign up, and then you would list your work basically. And another website that you can use is this one over here, which is Fiverr. Come over to Fiverr. Let's look, find services. Let's go on here and type in proofreader. Oh, sorry. Terrible. I think I need someone to proofread Martha. No services found for your search. Come down here, look. I will proofread and edit 4,000 words in 24 hours. So this over here on Fiverr, it's a bit different to these freelancing websites, because instead of you applying for jobs, what happens over on here is you basically list a gig. So this here is known as a gig, and I'll show an example of this. Someone's come over onto Fiverr, created an account for free, and they're offering their services on here. So you can go ahead and see this person here for £18 and 2 pence. That's a bit of a random number, isn't it? But they will go ahead, and you can see here, I will proofread and correct spelling and grammar and improve the structure and clarity of the article. It will be delivered in 4 days, and you can see what's included. This is a basic package. You have a standard and also a premium. So that is another website that you can use. But look, there's hundreds of these different websites that you can use, and if you want to start making some extra money online and from home, this is a relatively simple method that you can use, and especially if you're going to go ahead and use this piece of software over here called Grammarly. So look, that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.